Hello everyone, welcome to A Foreigner Farming in the Philippines. But we're on the way back from the shrimp pen and I noticed a little noise and a little intermittent vibration, so I thought it might have been the U-joint. So I had Tatay and Nerio hold up the back here, this little inspection plate. They couldn't see anything. And then it was getting worse and worse and worse, and then I took loose the front seat and the noise was much stronger, and so I stopped, got out underneath and looked, because it was a not just I don't know, at first it sounded just like the same noise you'd have if you were dragging a stick, but then it started like binding and popping. So then I thought maybe I had a stone in the caliper, and sure enough, I think that's what it is. Tatay said he could see a stone in there while I was letting it roll forward, so I think that's what it is. Somehow we picked up a little rock and it's catching in there. Well, there's no stone, so it's got to be the bearing. Let's see, Tatay. I don't know. Now I'm puzzled. I thought there was a little stone behind it, but there's not. All we can do is button it back up and try it again, but I think it's the bearing. But there's no lateral slop to it, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll get it buttoned back up and take it down the road. If it does the same thing, I might be able to nurse it home. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Just passing through? Oh, you came over here to go to the bathroom. Oh, all right. Okay. Now I get it. You're very cute. You gonna let me pet you a little bit? Hey. No. Okay. Fine for you. Make a cheeseburger out of you someday. All right, here, I'll get that, Tatay.
Qua đó là công ty Úc rồi.
I don't know. No idea, Tete. Maybe there was a stone in it and taking the tire off, let it fall out. I don't know, but I'm guessing the weight of the vehicle on that bearing, it's fine until you put weight on it, and then it doesn't like life. Well, we shall see. Thank you, everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.